Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Summerville Cain and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. It means so much to me. That was my chair squeaking. Anyways, before we get started, please look down below and make sure you're subscribed to my channel. If you're not, please go ahead and click it. And please look down below and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much. And yes, we're gonna just jump into this because I have been sick and I'm still just coughing and stopped up, so still not feeling 100% better. My head is pounding, but anyways, I had to share this with y'all. As you can tell from the title, we're gonna be talking about the Teami Mix It, and this thing is so amazing. It's amazing. I just did that. Anyways, so what this is it's literally a portable blender, and it is freaking awesome because I love smoothies, but I've never made them at home because I don't want to have to deal with getting the blender out, plugging it up, like making it, pouring it into something, dirtying up all those dishes. But with this, I get to do it all in one. You literally put everything in here that you want to do, and you take it off and drink it. And even this part, whenever you wash it, it's not cloth, it's like a rubber or whatever, so you don't have to worry about this like getting wet and stuff. Super freaking awesome. So I've gotten really big into making smoothies. Even my husband has started like getting into smoothies, so it's really awesome because it's, you know, super easy way to eat healthy, or, you know, like make healthier snacks and, you know, replacement meals and stuff like that. Yes, I'm gonna show y'all how it works. Teami is just like a super awesome company. I'm super thankful they sent this to me. I am a Teami partner and I absolutely love it because I get to try out a lot of awesome products that are healthy for me, help me live a healthier lifestyle, make me feel better, and it's just awesome. But anyways, one of the smoothies I've been doing lately, I've just been kind of doing this myself, eyeballing it, just throwing stuff in there. I don't really go by recipe or amounts or anything like that, so. But I use vanilla yogurt, sliced strawberries, and I'm not a fan of mango. Like, I can't sit there and eat mango. It's disgusting to me. But mango mixed with the strawberry is so good. So good. And I use frozen fruit because I did research where frozen fruit, it makes it thicker and creamier than fresh fruit and also lasts longer. So win-win. Anyways, and I also love putting my Teami Green Super Blend food in there. I just throw my my spoonful in there and mix it all together. So I'm getting my greens, I'm getting some vegetables, my yogurt. I mean, it's just an all-in-one, you know. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna put my yogurt in there. Like I said, I don't have like a certain amount I put in there. I just say, okay, that looks good, and go on to the next thing. But it's just so easy, and I love it because, I mean, I'm home with my kids, so I need quick, easy stuff to do because I just don't have a lot of time. My kids are mama's girls, and when they want something, they want mama to get it, or they're my little shadows, so they're clinging to me, especially my 2-year-old. But I also have like frozen blueberries, frozen blackberries. I mean, you can use whatever fruit you want to, obviously, and I'm sure people are more educated on smoothies than I am. And y'all have y'all's own little recipes and stuff. Also, I used to be big into powder protein shakes, and I have done just the the green super blend food powder with water, and it mixed it up so fast without me having to sit there and, you know what I mean. So if I ever do powder protein shakes again, I'm definitely using this to do it. because I mean it's just so easy, y'all. And if you ever do want to check out Teami blends, you can use the code JLC25. I'll insert it for 25% off. I do make a small commission off that, but I mean, I literally buy their products all the time. I get sent stuff, but I also buy stuff, and it's so worth it to me. I would rather have this blender and know that I'm going to make a healthy snack than, you know, eat junk food or whatever. Anyways, let me throw in some mangoes. Like I said, I don't ever eyeball it. I've said that like 4 times. You're gonna learn today I don't eyeball it. Alright, let me put some strawberries. They're so good. I love strawberries. My oldest, oh my gosh, every time we get groceries we have to get her some strawberries, because she will sit there and eat a whole thing of them in like 5 minutes. So I got all my goodies in there. There we go. You just shake it. Hey, I'm getting that for arm workout too. Y'all, it's just so good. And it also does come with a charger. You don't have to go buy batteries for it. This part right here plugs up and you just charge it. So it's super convenient. And yeah, like I said, whenever you're done, you just it's so good. So good. If you don't like greens, then obviously I wouldn't suggest putting that in there. But, or like that, I don't know, it's almost like a matcha taste. But I love that taste, so to me it's like so good. And then you get the strawberry and, you know, but when I do it just the strawberry and the mango, it is like a sweet treat that I know is good for me, and I'm just obsessed. Yeah, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I will answer them the best I can. If I don't know the answer, I will ask my Teami manager. But like I said, if you're ever interested in any of their products, feel free to use JLC25 for 25% off. Let's talk for a second. Okay, so everything is like totally crazy these days. There's just like so much going on. Every time you turn on the news, like there's something else chaotic going on. And I really want to know how people or what y'all are doing at home to, you know, take care of yourselves mentally, physically. You know, what are ways that you're finding to adapt? Like for me, I spend every second I can with my kids. Obviously they're home 24/7, but we just find ways to have fun with them that takes our minds off everything. I journal. I have 2 planners. I use one for like everything with my family, as far as, you know, like my husband's work schedule, anything that I need to do with my kids, budgeting, all that kind of stuff. And then I have one specifically for me, like what days I really want to focus on skincare, if I have any PR posts to do, just anything for me, you know, goals, all that stuff. So that really helps me just so yes, I would love to learn ways that you cope, you find to de-stress, and I'm sure others would, you know, love to read it. So yeah, let's just all help each other out. And like I said, if you have any questions about this Teami Mix-It blender, please feel free to comment. I use mine every single day. My mom has ordered one. I mean, like I said, you can use it for smoothies, for, you know, powders that you have to mix in water or milk or whatever it may be. It really does it a lot faster for you. It's super convenient. I absolutely love it. I mean, you can literally take it to work. You can make a smoothie in your car. You know, if you're going somewhere for the day and you have to make your protein shake or whatever, take this, your powder and your water, and bam, like you got it. Anyways, I really hope this video helped helped you out. I really hope, if you're not already, you will subscribe to my channel before you leave. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!